तौबा ये मतवाली चाल, चुप जाए फूलों की डाल, चांद और सूरज आकर मांगे तुझसे रंगे जमाल हसीना, तेरी मिसाल कहाँ. From there, Dharamji, he saw me, and I give him that story of 92.
Okay.
And when he heard that story, he seen my eyes that there is a love. And he, उन्होंने मुझे बोला यहाँ पे आओ मेरे साथ बैठो. तो मैं उनके साथ बैठा और इतनी बातचीत हुई और ऐसा लग रहा था कि जो फ़ैन जो किसी से प्यार करता है स्टार से, उनका दिल कभी भी टूट जाता है, लेकिन वो दिल नहीं टूटा. मेरे को बहुत डर लग रहा था. मुझे फ़ैन मूवी की हर बार याद आ रही थी, शाहरुख खान की. ऐसा नहीं लग जाए कि मुझे भी ऐसा ठोस न पहुंच जाए. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं लगा. ऐसा लगा कि ऐसा लग रहा था कि सच में धर्म जी मुझे जानते थे वो टाइम से, बचपन से. जैसे सब जो मेरी जो स्टोरी बोल रहा था, ऐसा लग रहा था कि उनको सब जानकारी है. या टिल डेथ ही इज़ व्हाट्सएपिंग मी. मैं बचपन से 4 years मुझे धर्मेंद्र पसंद है, हिंदी फिल्म पसंद है.
तो आपने सीख ली हिंदी?
तो सीख ली फिल्मों की वजह से. माय फेवरेट एक्टर इन इंडिया ही इज फहद फासिल.
ओह माय गॉड, फाफा.
आई लव हिम. I love him and I love Malayalam cinema, which I compare it not by Bollywood, I compare it by
Hi, this is Manju Ramanan, and on my show today we have a very dear friend. We have Hamad Al Riyami, who has driven all the way from Abu Dhabi for us, and he works with the Abu Dhabi government. But more than that, he is also a very, very eminent and well-known film critic, film blogger, and he just loves Bollywood. At the age of 4, his father took him to watch the film Dharamveer. So we'll start with his favorite actor, Dharmender ji. So welcome to the show, Hamad. And it's a pleasure to have you again to speak to you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Manju, and for this beautiful introduction, because you already know about that one and you summarize it very well. Thank you so much. And Abu Dhabi is not far away. Even अगर आप मुझे रास खेमा भी बोलेंगे तो मैं आ जाऊँगा.
Namaste. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful that you always support me. मुझे पहले बताइए, I need to know that at 4 years of age, a child goes with his father to watch this Bollywood film, and he has never seen a Bollywood film before. And then what does he see on screen?
Okay, this is like a movie for me. जब से मैंने होश संभाला है, तो हर बार मुझे ये एक गली याद आती है, एक अंधेरी गली. वहाँ पर कुछ लाइट भी नहीं थे, तो अचानक से एक लाइट आ जाता है मेरे मुंह पे, तो वो लाइट रहता है स्क्रीन का. So I saw one handsome man on the screen, with his muscles, with his vibes. So he was Dharamveer. The movie was Dharamveer, as you said before.
Right.
And from that I was like, I'm seeing like a magic.
Mesmerized.
Yeah. So that scene finished, and it was like a very short time. I don't remember, but I believe that's short time. When I go in my home, I ask my father next day, what's going on? What was that? It's not like our television.
Yeah.
He said, no, it's big screen. So what that guy, he come on the screen, what he's doing? He said that there's a director behind of him, he teach him. So I thought director एक जादूगर है. तो वहाँ से मैंने अपने दिमाग में ठान ली कि अगर एक ना एक दिन अगर मैं बड़ा हो जाऊँगा, तो मैं एक फिल्म बनाऊँगा, डायरेक्टर बन जाऊँगा. डायरेक्टर का नाम ऐसा आ गया मेरे दिमाग में कि वो जादूगर है. So when they asking me in the school, I remember I said in many interviews, that's usual in UAE, in any place. क्या बनना चाहते हो डॉक्टर, क्या बनना चाहते हो पायलट, क्या बनना चाहते हो engineer, whatever. But I was saying director. What director? Yeah, cinema director, like this.
Right,
so in Arab, so it's very
they were shocked to hear.
Yeah, shocking thing. Yeah. So people was laughing.
Okay.
But that was in my mind.
But उसके बाद you kept watching a lot of Hindi films after that?
Yes.
So what were the other films that impressed you?
Yeah, I saw in the cinema, I stopped because I was a child and not allowed by family to go there. But there was VHS
cassettes.
already invented that time.
Yes.
I remember first VHS I was borrow. There was one guy, he came by his suitcase, Samsonite, and he opened it and he showed me the VHS cassettes.
Right.
Every cassette rented by 10 dirham per day.
Okay.
At that time, 10 dirham is not,
Not,
you know,
yeah.
and I borrow from my mother sometimes. Don't tell my father, please. Give it to in my pocket. So
Right.
that first movie was, the name of movie, little bit I forget, but I remember the actors, Raj Babbar
Okay.
and Deepak
Parashar.
Parashal, Rambaho Sambaho.
Okay.
जो गाना
Nikah.
था
You're talking
उसमें.
about Nikah?
Not Nikah. There is a song, Rambaho Sambaho.
हाँ,
Kalpana Iyer was dancing in that song.
Okay. I remember the song.
Yeah, I already
Yeah.
told her that
Okay,
story.
yes, yes.
So that was the first VHS cassette.
Okay.
It was in the beginning of 80s.
Okay.
And after that, Nikah came, and after that, so many movies. I rented Johnny Dushman.
Jani Dushman.
Yeah.
Sanjeev Kumar.
Sanjeev Kumar. One of my favorite movies till date.
Where he's he's the
Yeah.
monster.
Yeah, he's a monster. अभी तक मुझे लगता है कि ऐसी डरावनी फिल्म बनी नहीं इंडिया में, लेकिन वो बचपना था मेरा.
डरावनी
जानी
फिल्म.
दुश्मन.
डरे थे आप उस फिल्म
बिल्कुल
देख
बचपन में डरते थे, अभी तो हंसते हैं. So that was some movies of that, and after that there was a pan ki dukan in Abu Dhabi. There is a place. One guy he's selling pan. That
It's called Pan Ki Dukan, and pan was allowed at that time.
allowed at that time. And
Now it's banned, yeah.
Yeah, many Indian people when I ask them where I can find cassettes, they told me this Pan Ki Dukan. It was
Okay.
in a place in Musaffa.
Okay.
Old Musaffa.
Right, right.
This old area now destroyed.
Okay.
So there was a very small shop. I go there. You have new movie coming in this cinema now, release it or something,
Right,
because there
right.
was releasing like between 1 month or 2, 3
Right.
weeks. The movie released in the VHS.
Right.
So I rent it from there also. I go
Okay.
like walking distance 15 or 20 minutes
Right.
and come back 20 minutes and return back next day.
Wow.
Yeah, watch this movie and return back that next day.
Okay.
It was Lawaris. And there was like
Oh.
so many movies, Amitabh Bachchan, Kalia, and
Yeah.
Namak Halal, and of course Ghazab. I loved Ghazab movie,
Okay.
and I didn't return it back. उसने उससे पैसे भी मांगे, मैं बोला उसके पैसे मिला किसी न किसी तरह से तो आपको दे दूंगा.
I
तो
will not return
it was
the movie to you.
55 dirham something. I give it to him.
Okay.
I need that movie, and it's copy already, but I loved.
The
And this
film.
till date, anytime if Ghazab showing in any place
You will watch it.
or by mistake I open YouTube, I will watch it.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
a
that-
childhood memory
Yes,
with the
yes.
film. पर उसके साथ साथ आपने हिंदी भी सीख ली, हिंदी
course,
उर्दू भी
of
सीख ली.
course.
But did you learn Hindi and Urdu through the movies, or you were already in the climate of that?
I was when I go to the cinema, there's so many people only speaking in
Hindi,
Urdu and
Urdu and
Hindi.
Hindi.
And I was trying my best to understand what they are saying, because the movie already subtitled in Arabic.
Right.
And when it's subtitled in Arabic, the Arabic words, it's
Very-
very nearby Hindi or
Hindi,
Urdu.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
70% of
Similar,
words
yeah.
similar. So वहाँ पे चलते चलते जैसे अभी आप सब बोलते हैं कि आपको हिंदी या उर्दू कैसी आती है, कोई भी नहीं सीख सकता, शायद आपके कुछ रिलेशन होगा या कुछ ऐसा वगैरह वगैरह. I know that, but there is people have passion. You know, my daughter, she know how to speak Korean language.
Korean.
And she
Wow.
don't have any relation with Korea, but because she loved Korea since she was the
Little.
baby.
Wow.
Yeah. So मैं बचपन से 4 years मुझे धर्मेंद्र पसंद है, हिंदी फिल्म पसंद है,
तो आपने सीख ली हिंदी.
तो सीख ली फिल्मों की वजह से. तो
बात है.
हमारे टाइम में ना ही इंटरनेट था, ना ही सोशल मीडिया था,
Right.
ना ही ऐसा कैसे जैसे कि बोलते हैं ये आपका फ्री टाइम है, एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वगैरह वगैरह, ऐसा नहीं था. सिर्फ हमारे पास
Limited.
था
Everything was limited. Yeah.
मूवीज,
TV
magazines,
and TV.
cinema.
Yeah.
That's it.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
TV.
And then you learned Hindi,
Of course,
and then you perfected Urdu.
because that was a challenge.
How did you do that? Did you learn it through like कैसे सीखा? कैसे
Yeah.
सीखी आपने? सारी
कभी कभी
languages?
मुझे जब मैं सुनता था किसी अरब जो हिंदी बोलते हैं, उनके बहुत अरब हिंदी बोलते हैं,
जी.
लेकिन उनकी जब हिंदी बोलने का
भाषा,
जब टाइम आता है तो उनकी हिंदी में कुछ गड़बड़ी रहती है. वो गड़बड़ी बोलने से गड़बड़ी बोलेंगे.
हाँ, जी,
से?
जी, जी.
तो ये जब मैं सुनता था तो मुझे हंसी आती थी. तो मैं भी ऐसा बोलता हूँ, मुझे भी
Then
अपने
you
आप पे हंसी
started-
आती थी.
You started
Yeah, so I will
correcting.
try what the thing is to how to
Work.
do da and ra.
Oh,
and
wow.
you know,
So you worked on it.
Yeah, I work on this, and you know, when in your interview I told you that
Yes.
you know the movie एक दूजे के लिए, जब
जी.
कमल हसन ने हम दोनों जब मिल जाएंगे एक
हाँ.
नया इतिहास बनाएंगे, he was written in Hindi, he don't know Hindi, so I'm trying to
Write
write
it in
in Urdu. In Arabic, because
Arabic
it's
Urdu.
nearby Urdu, but there's so many letters different. So if you practice like this, you will try
will-
your best to pronounce that word.
But that talks about passion. It's
Yes.
it's self-learning, and it's
Yeah.
such an important part of. Not everybody can
Yes.
do it.
Yes.
You can do it only because you have to be absolutely in love with that language or that subject. Otherwise, why would you do it? So वो complete dedication और love चाहिए. नहीं तो ये कमाल नहीं होता.
Of course, of
And
course.
that has gone to your daughter now, Korean.
Yeah, there is so
How
many people.
interesting.
There's people, one from my family, they know Chinese, they know. So there is, जब कोई भी आपको पूछेगा हाँ कुछ रिलेटिव है, ऐसा नहीं है भाई. आप अगर रिलेटिव है तो मैं कई अरब लोग को जानता हूँ जिनकी माँ इंडिया से है,
हाँ, जी।
उनकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन बहुत गलत है हिंदी में जब बात करते हैं यहाँ पर, क्योंकि वो कभी भी हिंदी फिल्म भी नहीं देखते या कभी भी उनका कनेक्शन भी नहीं है इंडिया से, या वो इश्क नहीं है,
जी.
तो वो बात नहीं है
जी.
उनके लैंग्वेज में.
जी. आपके दोस्त भी रहे हैं जो हिंदी बोलते हैं? Have you been?
कुछ दोस्त हैं.
And you speak to them in Hindi and Urdu?
No, we speak in Arabic, of course. जब भी यानी वो भी चौक जाते हैं. अभी तो मेरी हम उम्र है, तो अभी चौक जाते बोलते हैं अभी तुम्हारी उर्दू इतनी अच्छी होगी, हिंदी इतनी अच्छी बोलते हो. जब भी इंटरव्यू करते किसी के साथ, तो ऐसा लगता है आप यानी छा गए.
हाँ, क्या बात है.
या
पर ये आपने तो फिर धर्मेंद्र को जाके मिले भी, आप तो उनके घर भी गए हो इतनी बार, and you've gone and met him and he loves you and he calls you his Arabic son.
Yes.
So tell me about that. When आप मिले कब? When did you meet Mr. Dharmender for the first time?
First time it was like a fan searching of his idol. It was in 1992 when he came to Dubai.
Okay.
वो टाइम में बहुत मुश्किल होता था आप एक स्टार को देखेंगे तो धर्म जी तो he was very big star, you know, at that time. Even Sunny Deol was working.
Yes.
So I heard that he is coming to Dubai to do a show. The name of show is Magnificent Seven.
Okay.
Sunny Deol, Dennis Zungumba, Sangeeta Bijlani, Raj Babbar, कई लोग थे उस शो में.
Okay.
तो Al Nazar Leisure and I'm from Abu Dhabi, you know. And
so you had to come all the way. Yeah.
And that
How
time
old were you?
I was 18 years old.
Okay.
And still that time it's very far away.
It is.
Because वो टाइम में इतनी रोड नहीं थे, इतनी फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं थी, तो कार भी नहीं था मेरे साथ में, गाड़ी भी नहीं चलता था. तो I heard that he is coming and I want to search how I can go. I was rent in a video shop called King's Video. At that time there is very famous and modern video. So वहाँ पर गया मैं, तो suddenly I saw that the guy in this shop he's selling the tickets of Dharamji show.
Okay.
And he give already advertisement.
Yeah, okay.
बोला आपके पास टिकट है? Yeah, I have ticket 1,000 dirham. Huh? 1,000 dirham? Yeah, this is for VIP. You want VIP? मेरे पास 1,000 नहीं है. अगर आप देंगे फ्री में तो अच्छी बात है. No, I have 1,000, I have 500, I have 200, I have 100. So I'm searching my book. I have exact 100 dirham in my pocket.
Okay.
And how I can return back my home, I don't know. But I want that.
Yeah.
So, एक ticket please. Because it's 3 days left.
Right.
So I buy that one. I bought that one. And when I returned back by taxi to home, it was half an hour. I borrow from my mother. I don't have money. So it's finished. अभी जाने का कैसे जाऊँगा मैं वहाँ पर?
How do you go to Dubai?
How I can go from Abu Dhabi to Dubai? I don't have car.
Yeah.
So I heard that there is a mini bus going from Abu Dhabi to Dubai to bus station in Plaza Cinema. Remember the old Plaza Cinema in Dubai?
Yeah.
There was a station. I think still there is.
Yeah.
So it was 20 dirham, 15 dirham like that. Okay. So many people going inside. Together. वो टाइम में बारिश बहुत हो रही थी, बहुत अच्छा बारिश थी. It was Feb or Jan. बहुत खूबसूरत महीना था. और वो टाइम में विश्वात्मा भी चल रही थी. विश्वात्मा. I already saw it in Abu Dhabi. And when I got by bus, the driver was open the radio. And there was Hindi songs only. Okay. So I remember only Lamhe songs going. कभी मैं कहूँ कभी तुम कहो.
So you remember आने के गाने भी आपको याद?
गाने भी याद है. सब ये आप एक lifetime moment है आपके लिए. Memory. तो भूलने वाला चीज़ नहीं है. तो जब तक मैं वहाँ तक पहुँच गया, जल्दी पहुँच गया. अभी शो 9 PM का है और मैं वहाँ पर 6 PM पहुँच गया दुबई पे. तो अभी मैं क्या करूँ, स्टेशन के पास प्लाजा सिनेमा है और वहाँ पे विश्वात्मा भी चल रही थी. तो मैंने देख ली, तो फिर भी देख लिया वहाँ पे.
अच्छा, you watch it again. टाइम है ना?
टाइम है. तो
पहले आ गए.
पैसे भी थे थोड़े, तो विश्वात्मा देख ली. ख़त्म हो गई विश्वात्मा, तो वहाँ से टैक्सी लेकर Al Nazar Leisure. When I came here, so many public there. And I remember I was wearing driksot. It's like a jacket, green color with white, green with black. Sorry, it was for Al Shabab Club at that time.
Acha, your
And-
club.
Yeah, and I'm not wearing this. I'm wearing other style. You know that like Omani they say.
Yeah.
It's a Hamdani
Like a
style.
turban.
Yeah, turban. So when I go there, I saw so many Indians seeing me like they are amazed. How come he come here? एक आदमी ने बोला, मैं समझा वो क्या बोल रहा था, बोला ये भी आ गया धर्मेंद्र को देखने के लिए. So I come there and when I sit, I see the stage like like ants, very small,
It's
very
very
small,
far.
yeah, very small.
बहुत दूर.
मुझे दूरबीन चाहे धर्म जी को देखने के लिए, तो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. मैं ओके कोई बात नहीं, धर्म जी को तो देखना है. So by sudden there was a security guy. He's local from UAE, Dubai. He saw me. In Arabic he said, "شو قاعد تسوي هنا?" يعني what means क्या करने आया यहाँ पे? धर्मेंद्र के लिए आया मैं. Come. मेरा हाथ पकड़ा
क्या
और
बात.
मुझे VIP के सीट में बिठा के चले
क्या
गया.
बात है.
So that was
That was
something.
your शिद्दत. आपकी वजह से वो
Yeah.
आपका जो प्यार था उनके लिए वो लेके गया
वो लेके गया. तो धर्म जी आ गए. पहले सीन में वो लुंगी पहन के आए थे.
अच्छा.
वो डांस कर रहे थे, मैं जट्टी अमला पगला दीवाना. तो I'm just seeing like I'm dreaming. I'm dreaming. And this all show finish, all people coming to hug him, and Dharmendra is very humble from that time. मेरा बस उंगली आया उनके हाथ पे और वहाँ से चले गए. तो ये पहला टाइम था मैं जब धर्म जी से मिला. और दूसरा टाइम आप बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, 92 से लेकर 2018 तक वो दूसरा टाइम था. उनसे रूबरू उनके घर में हुआ. तो you will not believe the second time I met Dharamji, it was 2018 after 92.
Wow.
So इतना लॉन्ग गैप हो गया. और उस समय में मैं कई बार जब मैं मुंबई जाता था तो पहले धर्म जी के घर जाता था उनसे मिलने के लिए. All people they have their own fans, like I have Dharam, somebody have Amitabh, somebody have Dilip Kumar. So धर्म जी के घर जाता, लेकिन मुझे अंदर जाने नहीं देते. Even I am telling them I am from Abu Dhabi, I am from Dubai, not Abu Dhabi, because दुबई से उनका बहुत लगाव है. तो बोलते नहीं है, धर्म जी नहीं है. तो 2018 में मेरा नाम थोड़ा कुछ लोग सोशल मीडिया में आ गया. और उनके एक जो मैनेजर नहीं लंदन में उनके क्या बोलते व्हाट दे सेड हिज सिस्टर सन nephew in London. Okay. He was saw my review for Poster Boys. At that time is 2018. And I messaged him by Instagram. Okay. So I told him that I'm there in Dharamji home. I want to meet him. Please, can you tell him, because I know that you are relative. I saw so many pictures with you on Sunny Deol. Yeah, his name Vijay. He told me, are you the fat guy who did the Poster Boys review? Yeah, मैं वही हूँ. So he took my number and he gave me a chance. And I have also my colleagues with me. Okay. One of them, he very fond with Dharamji. He saw Dharamji so many times, but the problem, he have longest my gap. Okay. उनका गैप बहुत लंबा था. 92 से मेरे ख्याल से 2008 नहीं मिले. तो उनको भी नहीं जानते थे चौकीदार वाले. तो मेरे उनके उनके कॉल करने के बाद ये सिलसिला हो गया. तो हम सब मिले, 3 जने 4 आई थिंक थे, 4 people. And from there Dharamji he saw me and I give him that story of 92. Okay. And when he heard that story, he seen my eyes that there is a love. And उन्होंने मुझे बोला यहाँ पे आओ मेरे साथ बैठो. तो मैं उनके साथ बैठा और इतनी बातचीत हुई. और ऐसा लग रहा था कि जो फ़ैन जो किसी से प्यार करता है स्टार से, उनका दिल कभी भी टूट जाता है, लेकिन वो दिल नहीं टूटा. मेरे को बहुत डर लग रहा था. मुझे फ़ैन मूवी की हर बार याद आ रही थी, शाहरुख खान की. ऐसा नहीं लग जाए कि मुझे भी ऐसा ठोस न पहुंच जाए. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं लगा. ऐसा लगा कि ऐसा लग रहा था कि सच में धर्म जी मुझे जानते थे वो टाइम से, बचपन से. जैसे सब जो मैं जो स्टोरी बोल रहा था, वैसा लग रहा था कि उनको सब जानकारी है. या टिल डेट ही इज व्हाट्सएपिंग मी every week.
And he's so active on Instagram. Yeah. And his वो जो सब्जी उगाते हैं या उनके birds के साथ या in his farm. I mean, it's such a beautiful. You went to his farm to meet him. Was it in his farm or in his home? In his home.
In home, yeah. Next time I hope that I meet him in his farm. Yeah. In spite of meeting him so many times.
What is your favorite, apart from Dharamveer, what is your favorite Dharamji film?
Dharamji movies, there is if a movie as a movie, not as a performance.
Right.
My childhood memories was with, of course, with Sholay, with Ghazab, with Gulami, and with I can't say Azad, Jugnu. There are so many movies I can't
Right.
because ये सब बचपन की यादें आती है लेकिन
अभी तो recent film में भी आके गए.
बिल्कुल
That again, nobody else could have pulled off that role
yes
except him.
Rocky
Rocky
Rani
Rani,
की प्रेम
yeah,
कहानी yes so as a movie so many movies तीसरी आंख मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है in spite maybe this movie some people don't like it but I like it because
Yeah.
Dharamji there and he's doing like as our childhood time we love
Even Shalimar and those films,
Shalimar
yeah. Hum Bewafa. The songs,
yes
Hargiz Na The.
of
So
course,
many, so many
of course.
songs.
But performance wise when I'm grow up and matured I believe Satya Kam is his finest work
Yeah.
till date बहुत
Right.
अच्छा रोल था बहुत अच्छा
Satyakam, yeah.
yeah and when I saw this movie and I saw Anupama
Yeah. Anupama, wow. What a
yeah
film.
I saw his acting range I can't believe that he's Dharamji is
And
doing
he's
this.
very funny, no? With Amitabh, there are so many films.
Yeah.
You always had
yeah combination
interesting films repertoire, and such a very big legend, such a legendary star as
yes
well.
yes
जी ये तो हुई धर्म जी की बात पर आपका करियर फिर आपने यू वर ऑल्सो एन एंकर यू वर्कड इन द मीडिया फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम टेल मी अबाउट दैट करियर बिकॉज यू ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट यू आर अ गवर्नमेंट यू वर्क विद अबू धाबी गवर्नमेंट एज वेल एज आपने अपना पैशन को भी एक प्रोफेशन बनाया हाउ डिड यू डू बोथ टुगेदर
yes एक्चुअली मीडिया में आना मेरा वो बाय चांस हो गया था क्योंकि मैं जब अपना हाई स्कूल फिनिश किया तो मैंने बिजनेस पढ़नी सीखी है
ओके
So business administration, it was mostly more people needed to study
Right.
here in UAE because they want to become, all people want to become manager,
Businessman. Yeah.
They have big office like that.
Yeah.
So I don't have only this choice. So I studied for 2 years business administration in Higher College of Technology. While I'm studying there, they invent new section called Media Applied Studies.
ओके
तो मैं गया वहाँ पर पूछा प्रोफेसर से in media what we can study can we study cinema he said kind of
ओके
yeah you can have a camera you can do your own videos your own movies and you show me and till we go to the festivals so he encouraged me so I cancelled my studies I start again from zero to study media applied section
Okay.
while I'm studying there I did short movies which already participate in some festivals
ओके
and also one of short movie is called Taxi Driver about a Pakistani taxi driver his
Okay.
documentary there was a guy came to our college as a visiting he loved that video and he asked who did this they told Hamad Riyam he's local from really how you know about Urdu speaking and how you because I was speaking Urdu
Yes.
with him yeah because I love Bollywood can you come to visit me I told him where to my building to my office in CNBC Arabia I'm the CEO of there his name Siddiqui he was the CEO new CEO of this
CNBC Arabia.
CNBC Arabia I came there and he hired me as a journalist to be a reporter for the channel
Okay.
who can talk in many language English Arabic
You have all the languages with you.
and he sent me to London also I worked there for CNBC Europe for
Okay.
some time so that was the beginning of
The media career.
even I'm still studying I'm still not have my certificate
Okay.
yeah so वो था मेरी
But वो
शुरुआत
exposure बहुत अलग होता है ना when you have traveled across and
yeah
you know how reporting is in different parts of the world because लोगों को बहुत simple लगता है to be in front of the camera and speak. It's such a lot of work. There's a
absolutely
lot of it's everything. It is not such an easy thing.
absolutely
So did you learn to face the camera because आप तो fan थे अभी आप कैमरा के सामने
या कैमरा के सामने मुझे आना थोड़ा यानी झिझक लगता था क्योंकि
जी।
मैं उससे पहले आई हैव रिटन मीडिया
Right.
न्यूज़पेपर आई राइट
Exactly.
सम
So that is a different thing. Print
Yeah.
journalist जब कैमरा को face करता है
या
वो challenge बहुत different होती है.
बहुत different
And
होती है।
आजकल ये challenge this is I think kudos to all journalists who have been print journalists who have never faced the camera. But because of the compulsion of today's media, they are all facing the camera today.
of course
So I think that's a lot of courage उसके लिए बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट काम है, वो इजी नहीं है.
Of course.
आपको बहुत कुछ चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना पड़ता है जो आप राइटर, एज अ राइटर नोबडी, यू डोंट रियली केयर अबाउट मेनी
Yeah.
थिंग्स. सो टेल मी अबाउट दैट ट्रांजिशन.
Yeah. Manju, you know, there is some ego coming to you as a journalist, as a print journalist. ऐसा लगता है जब आप लिखते हो, लोग पढ़ते हैं, उनको अच्छा लगता है, शायद न्यूज़पेपर में या शायद वेबसाइट पे, तो आप कैमरे में क्यों आएंगे? आप लोग आपको पढ़ रहे लोग, तो एक ईगो आ जाता है, क्यों आऊँ मैं कैमरे के सामने? ऐसा मुझे आया था.
अच्छा.
और मेरे कई दोस्त अभी तक उनके पास यही ईगो है जो कि लिखते थे उस ज़माने में.
Okay.
They still not coming on the camera. I told them why. I will tell you what happened to me.
Okay.
जब मैं CNBC join किया तो I told them that I will not come to the camera. That's my condition. If you need me to be a reporter, you have my sound only. I will have
face
voiceover.
face नहीं
Face
दिखाऊंगी.
नहीं, please. So they accepted that.
Okay.
I did that for 1 year and a half. And then I complete my working as a journalist in spite of having a new job in government of Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
Writing for Al Ittihad newspaper, then Emirates Emirat Al Yawm in Arabic, Emirates Today
Yeah.
newspaper. Social media आ गया, लोग आने लगे YouTube में, so many, but I'm still have that ego. लोग पढ़ेंगे. I have Instagram.
मैं face नहीं
I will
दिखाऊंगा.
not show my face. I will write on Instagram my whole review.
I don't want to. Yeah.
Yeah, I
No, there
don't
is a
want-
little hesitation. I know.
There was one pinch coming from my friend. He's my childhood friend. His name, I want to mention his name is Khalid.
Okay.
ये मेरे बचपन का दोस्त है. जैसे कि अभी बचपन में धर्मेंद्र की कोई भी फिल्म रहेंगी जैसे धर्मवीर में उनका दोस्त है जितेंद्र, वैसे ही ये मेरे दोस्त थे बचपन से. So he told me, Hamad, how about now facing the camera? People coming in the social media, why you don't do a small short
Videos.
15 seconds at least on Instagram? That time is only you have 15 seconds limit. And see the response. I told him, is it good? Yeah, of course, because you have only small people,
Right.
little people reading, and these days people not read too much.
Right.
They want something
Right.
on the screen.
Right.
So he encouraged me. 3-4 months I'm trying just to do short videos on
Right.
Instagram.
Right.
Then one guy liked that video and he come that I want to shoot you for my channel
क्या बात है?
in his YouTube.
Okay.
And he shoot me the first HD video and it was Emirati review movie.
Okay.
And from that I feel that yeah, it's good.
I can
Why not
face the camera.
face the camera and do whatever you want to
You see,
do. an
yeah.
interview.
Once you get that block out,
Yeah.
then it is easier.
Yeah.
To get there is the time.
वो
the
ईगो
time.
को मारना था, वो ईगो मर गया तो मुझे अच्छा लगा क्योंकि ऐसी राहत मिल गई अभी मुझे.
Right. Right.
अगर वो ईगो रहता तो मैं यहाँ पे नहीं रहता आपके साथ.
रहते in a different form probably,
Yes.
but but then that is a big brave thing. People don't acknowledge it at all.
Yeah.
क्योंकि ये हम ट्रेन होके नहीं आते.
Yeah.
हम कैमरा को फेस करते हुए ट्रेनिंग लेके नहीं आते.
वो बात भी अलग है मंजू. हमारा जो कल्चर है, you know,
जी.
our tradition.
Yes.
I have यानी I was married, I have children. तो मेरी बीवी देखेंगे, मेरे बच्चे देखेंगे, मेरी माँ देखेंगे या मेरे सब जो रिलेटिव, you are speaking in Hindi, you are doing like this, you know, people, you know,
Yeah,
that's happen.
Yeah.
You see, sometime when I put like comparison between two actors, one from Arabia and one from India, they are look alike.
Yes.
तो कुछ लोग बोलते हैं नहीं ये नहीं दिखता है, इंडियन की तरह नहीं दिखता है, पाकिस्तानी की तरह नहीं दिखता है, कौन बोला ये अलग है, इनका खून अलग. So this is still having in some people, not,
Yeah.
but it's now
It's
changed,
going
the story.
going slowly.
Because of us.
Yes,
We changed that.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You have to be stubborn about content
Yes,
because
yes.
आपको जो content चाहिए आपको वो push करना पड़ेगा.
Of course.
क्योंकि आपकी experience सिर्फ आपकी है. And अगर आप all journalists, I'm sure most journalists are all change makers. They want to make change in the world, which is why they are journalists.
Yep.
And अगर आपको एक मीडियम मिल जाता है या आपको एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल जाती है जिसमें you can actually talk about change in a very small way, but it goes to millions of people. But you're not preaching them. You're just putting a point.
Yep.
Tell me about that. वो कैसे, जैसे आपने बताया, आपने change की बात कर रहे हैं. So how do you see people's perceptions change because of content that you put through?
या ये मेरे बचपन से है ये जो, क्योंकि जिससे मैं प्यार करता हूँ, जिससे मैं मोहब्बत करता हूँ, इश्क करता हूँ, तो मैं एक्सप्लोर करता हूँ वो चीज़ और सबको बताता हूँ मुझे इससे प्यार है, इससे इश्क है, मुझे ये अच्छा लगता है.
Right.
तो उनमें से तो सिनेमा है और वो है हिंदी सिनेमा ज़्यादातर.
जी.
तो बचपन से जब मैं एक बोर्डिंग स्कूल में पढ़ता था, सुहान, इट्स मिलिट्री स्कूल,
Okay.
ऑल लोकल पीपल,
Here,
so all we
here.
are, yeah, here in Alain,
Okay.
nearby Alain.
Okay.
So we was living there. Weekend coming to home and we
Going
stay
back.
there. We have our rooms and we have club there.
Achha.
In the club, the people were playing carom, people playing
Yeah.
football, something. We have video, VHS.
अच्छा.
और वहाँ पर कोई भी फिल्म नहीं देखता था, सिर्फ टीवी लगाते थे. कभी कभार अरबिक मूवी आती थी, इजिप्शियन मूवी, आदिल इमाम, sometime serials, sometime Arabic Kuwaiti dramas. So I was telling my teacher there, how about in the Hindi movies? People love Hindi movies. You will bring? Yeah, I will bring.
Okay.
So मैंने धर्मेंद्र की ज़्यादातर मूवी लानी शुरू करी, बगावत से लेकर.
अच्छा, तो आपने धर्म जी के फैंस बनाए इधर.
वहाँ बहुत बनाए.
That is a loyal fan.
Yeah.
Who makes more fans?
Every day they are seeing movie after
Okay.
lunchtime till 4 p.m., 5 p.m. and they close the
Right.
that place. There was like 10 chairs.
Okay.
After that's 20. After the end of this summer, more than 50 chairs. No people going
To play games.
No, to sleep because they are sleeping at that
Okay,
time. So
okay.
बहुत लोग आने लगे. ऐसे कुछ लोग भी आए, अरे बस धर्मेंद्र के कोई और नहीं है hero. So I will bring you another
Okay,
hero,
okay.
but with धर्मेंद्र.
अच्छा. He was a common factor.
Yeah, common. But sometimes अलग-अलग
Yeah.
मूवी भी लाता था मैं.
अच्छा.
तो ये मैं ब्रिज बना दिया लोगों के बीच.
Fantastic.
Yeah, तो
That is the change you brought in.
यस. सो वो बचपन से है मेरे पास, तो मैं सबको दिखाता हूँ कि ये मुझे इससे प्यार है. तो अभी जब भी कभी भी मैं हिंदी फिल्म के बारे में जब बोलता हूँ, आप देखेंगे मेरे वीडियोस पे, मैं बोलता हूँ मैं पहले हिंदी में बोलूँगा, बाद में अरबी में बोलूँगा.
Right, I've seen it.
यही
Yeah.
कपड़ा पहनकर, यही
Right,
अरबिक ड्रेस
right,
पहनकर,
because
जो मेरा
this is your
ड्रेस है.
tradition.
या तो कुछ लोग बोलते हैं तुम अरबी से शुरू करो, बाद में मैं बोला अगर मैं अरबी से शुरू करूँगा तो वो ब्रिज नहीं बनेगा.
Right.
तो ब्रिज बनाने के लिए मैं उनको बताना चाहता हूँ कि मुझे हिंदी आती है, उर्दू आती है, और लोगों को वहाँ से खींच के यहाँ से लाऊंगा.
Absolutely.
तो ये सब मिलेंगे साथ
ये
में.
कन्वर्जन भी ज़रूरी है ना
Yeah.
कि लोग, एंड आपकी वजह से बहुत लोगों ने हिंदी फिल्में देखना भी शुरू किया होगा.
Yes.
है ना?
कई लोग ऐसे, जैसे कि कुछ लोग मुझे लिखते हैं यूट्यूब में ज़्यादातर,
जी.
क्योंकि मेरे पास वहाँ पर कुछ लोग बहुत है जो अरेबिया के हैं, जो इजिप्शियन,
जी.
मोरक्को, शीरियन भी हैं.
आपके यूट्यूब का नाम, चैनल का नाम?
सेम नेम है, हमद रियामी,
Okay.
HAMAD.
Okay.
तो वहाँ पर कुछ लिखते हैं कमेंट में, हमने हिंदी फिल्में छोड़ दी थी बचपन से,
अच्छा.
लेकिन आपकी वजह से फिर से
देख रहे हैं.
जुड़ गए.
क्या बात
देखने
है.
हैं, क्योंकि हम समझते थे हिंदी फिल्म सिर्फ वही है,
Song and dance.
शोले के ज़माना, धर्मेंद्र का ज़माना, धर्मवीर, अमिताभ बच्चन, कालिया, ये वगैरह. उसके बाद फिल्में जो बन रही है वही सेम स्टाइल में. बोल नहीं, अभी अलग, वो ज़माने में भी अलग फिल्में बनती थी. नसीरुद्दीन शाह की फिल्में आप देख लो, या फिर सुमिता पाटिल, शबाना आज़मी की फिल्में देख लो,
जी.
तो अलग फिल्म बनती थी. अभी और ज़्यादा अलग बन गए. आप मिरर देखो सोसाइटी का,
जी.
वो सच्चाई दिखाई दे रही है.
जी,
तो ऐसी
जी.
कई सच्ची फिल्में आ रही है.
Right.
Not only in Bollywood, even in
Right.
South cinema, like Malayalam cinema, one of the
Do you
best
also-
cinema.
Do you watch Malayalam cinema?
Oh,
Yes,
अभी
tell us.
recently, यानी जैसे कि 5 साल से, पहले बचपन में मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगती थी. I will
हाँ.
tell you one very one of story.
Yeah.
I was renting movies mostly in a video shop called City Video. City Video was located in Abu Dhabi. All people there working Malabaris
Okay.
from Madras and
Yeah.
Kerala.
Kerala.
So I remember कोई नई फिल्म आई, which
Yeah.
हिंदी, बॉलीवुड, every time बॉलीवुड.
Yeah.
हम बॉलीवुड नहीं बोलते थे, हिंदी फिल्म बोलते थे वो टाइम में. तो एक डब मूवी आई थी. He said I will show you this movie, पहले लगा के दिखाओ. Every time we check
before you.
Yeah, because it's tape.
Yeah.
भी ख़राब है. तो I see all with mustache heroes. What is this? And they are lip sync,
Yeah.
look like lip sync. They are not.
Yeah.
मैं बोला ये फिल्म तेलुगु है या मलबारी है? नहीं, या बट इज डब्ड हिंदी. नहीं, मुझे नहीं चाहिए फिल्म, नहीं मुझे फिल्म चाहिए. The guy there was upset. He's from Madras. I think his name Rauf. I remember. He said one word, film to film होती है. So he said that, and I was shocked, and I was a little bit afraid by his voice. मुझे नहीं चाहिए. तो वो दिमाग में पड़ गया. तो फिल्म तो फिल्म होती है. तो टाइम से मैं पूछ रहा था कोई अच्छी फिल्म रहती है वहाँ पे उन लोगों के पास. कमल हसन की फिल्म दो, वो एक दूसरे के लिए या so please there is another Rajnikant. Okay, I want to see. I saw some clips. ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, वही स्टाइल जो मुझे पुराने ज़माने में देखना है अभी. तो निकल गया मेरे दिमाग से, लेकिन फिर से वापस आ गया. और आजकल बिलीव मी, my favorite actor in India is Fahad Fazil.
Oh my God, Fafa.
I love him.
Fafa.
I love him, and I love Malayalam cinema. which I compare it not by Bollywood, I compare it by Iranian and by Korean cinema.
Yes, absolutely.
It's out of box.
आवेशम देखिए.
आवेशम भी देख लिए है. ब्रगैटम क्या नाम है जो ममूटी की मूवी थी इस साल में आई थी. इट्स हॉरर मूवी. एंड मंजूमल बॉयज भी देख लिए मैंने.
क्या बात है.
बहुत खूबसूरत और बहुत ही लाजवाब मूवी इसका. या एंड आल्सो देयर इज अ मूवी.
I've seen all your reviews of Malayalam films.
Malayalam cinema, it's different than Tamil, different than Telugu, Kannada. They are good cinema.
High. It's a very content
yes.
well written. Especially it's a treasure. I think one of the best cinemas out of India. One of the best films out of India come from Kerala.
And they don't follow the agendas.
No.
Because they want to make cinema.
Yeah.
We have a story. We have true events like Manjumal true events.
Yeah.
वहाँ पे कोई लड़की नहीं थी उनके साथ.
नहीं.
तो अगर बॉलीवुड में बनती तो लड़की को डालते थे, घुसाते थे और गाने भी डालते थे उसके लिए. तो ये उनका रियलिस्टिक जो सिनेमा है अच्छे खूबसूरती अंदाज. दिस मूवी कोट लाइफ. क्या मूवी है भाई वो पृथ्वीराज. आई सॉ इट इन सिनेमा इन रमजान टाइम. रिमेंबर, बिलीव मी, इन रमजान आई डोंट लव टू गो सिनेमा. You know, when I did the review, A.R. Rahman loved it. And he posted in his Instagram.
How lovely.
Full review. And even the the director, he also posted.
How lovely.
All because I give it review में दिल से बोला क्योंकि मुझे लग रही थी फिल्म की खूबसूरत. बहुत अच्छी फिल्म थी.
मेहनत बहुत की हुई है ना फिल्म में. It's a labor of a lot of labor of love. I mean there's work on it.
Yep.
Right. तो फिर मलयालम सिनेमा से भी प्यार है.
प्यार है अभी. बिल्कुल प्यार है. अभी कोई भी फिल्म नहीं आएंगी तो जिसका कंटेंट, जिसका ट्रेलर मुझे अट्रैक्ट करेगा और कुछ एक्टर्स जैसे पृथ्वीराज और फहद फाजिल ऑफ कोर्स, ममूटी, ये अगर उनकी फिल्म आएंगी तो ज़रूर बगैर ट्रेलर देकर जाके देखूंगा. दुलकर सलमान ही इज आल्सो वेरी गुड एक्टर.
There are many of them. And actors भी हैं. They're multi-talented. Some of them are actors who are also singers. Some of them are directors who are, you know, they're multi-talented. It's not just one talent. Like Drishyam was one film which I think was universally loved and accepted,
of course.
And remade into Hindi, and I think it was also remade in other foreign languages.
Yes.
So amazing to know that Malayalam cinema is also a part of your repertoire. ये सब के बीच में आपकी फैमिली है. You have a big family. Is your family also very fond of all that you also are fond of, or no?
Yeah. Some of them, like my daughters, they love to see Hindi movies with me in cinema.
Okay.
Yeah.
And they speak Urdu like you?
Not.
No. Okay.
They'll have little bit difficulty.
Okay.
Yeah.
But they enjoy the film.
They enjoy the movie. They know the songs. They know the actors. They know everything.
Okay.
और कभी-कभी मुझे चढ़ाते भी है कुछ लोग जैसे धर्म जी आपको एक्टिंग नहीं आता. So they want to do like this because they know that there is anger in my eyes.
Yes.
It became red if they say something. But वो चढ़ाने के लिए बोलते हैं कभी-कभी.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
आपने फिल्म में काम करने का कभी नहीं सोचा?
फिल्म बनाने का तो ज़रूर.
डायरेक्टर तो आप तो बचपन से डायरेक्टर बनना चाहते हो. व्हाट वुड बी योर फिल्म दैट यू विल मेक, दैट ड्रीम फिल्म?
Dream film, I want to make. Already, I made some short movies.
Yes.
And I made some video songs. Even one will be released very soon. With Shabir Kumar singing that song.
Wow.
With his daughter. With her granddaughter and one Emirati singer. I shot it in Ramoji Studios.
Oh, wonderful.
I didn't tell you about that because it was a secret. Because
okay, that's
nobody
wonderful.
want to know about it.
Shabir Kumar
singing.
And his granddaughter.
And granddaughter Shifa. And one
shot in Ramoji
Hyderabad.
Studio.
Okay. I shot I scripted and I directed that.
How lovely.
Video. So यहाँ से देखेंगे कहाँ पट्टी जाएंगे.
No, बहुत बड़ी बात है. It's a lovely initiative.
Yeah.
अच्छा, तो आपके children are not, I mean of course, but you have inculcated that in them.
Yes.
तो आप फिल्म किसके साथ डिस्कस करते थे when you watched a film? You know, when you're a fan and you watched a film, you want to discuss it. It's not just with common people. Do you have आपके जैसे आपके दोस्त रहे हैं जिसके साथ आप, you know, you're dissecting, discussing a film?
Yeah, I have. As I told you about Khalid, he's not in film industry or doing, but he have a good taste to watch movies.
Okay.
लेकिन मेरे कुछ दोस्त हैं जो फिल्म मेकर्स हैं जो हम एक साथ graduated और एक साथ फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स जो कि अबू धाबी में एक थी which is called the Emirates Film Competition. We are all together like 40 people. Some of them still making movies, some of them stopped,
Okay.
and some of them they're making commercial movies, Emirati movies.
Right.
So there is a guy, his name Masood Amarallah. He's a very big, we called him godfather of our cinema because he invented the festivals in UAE. And Dubai Film Festival, it was him,
yes.
because of him. He was
Yes,
the, what's called, not chairman, the CEO. So sometime I discussed my own scripts with him. Yeah, I did 2 scripts, one action movie, and he loved it. And he told me, if you make this movie, people will know you more than me, because he's still not doing long feature movie. And the other one is also about UAE culture, story also about 90s time, and he loved it, that one.
So there'll no Bollywood star in the film?
No, it's only, Emirati movie. But
okay. But what is...
After this, I want to do something. And maybe I want to do one tribute to Dharamji.
Yes.
And there is a story in my mind. I told him, and he loved it. The idea, and I need him as a guest appearance in that, because it's about fun.
It's about you.
About me. Dharmender nearby my window. So it's like from childhood time. He's just thinking how to visit him.
How beautiful.
And how he fighting his colleagues to watch the movies, like Raja Sultan, flop. No, not the flop. It's a very good movie. So it's all, mixing feelings, something like that.
Okay.
And after that, I will see what to do, because I want to do I want to do good movies, good cinema.
Right.
Like why I'm telling you about Malayalam cinema, it's out of books. I want to do something like that. Similar to this, which can go to the festivals and which can be balanced by public, by audience, and by taste of movie lovers.
Right.
Yeah. So something like that.
Abhi jo Netflix mein chal raha hai, what is your recommendation of what you would think people should watch? The kind of films.
The kind of films, the kind of shows, exactly. Mostly shows.
No, we had a very beautiful film called Chamkila, which released.
Chamkila, yes, very nice movie. I did the review of that one.
Yes.
I love that movie, and there is good movies from Netflix like Darlings. मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी वो film. Kala, बहुत अच्छी film थी. Kala, I think it was not cinema made. It was
Kala.
Their made. Very good movie. So many movies they make.
Irfan Khan's son was there. Babil Khan was there.
Yeah, Tripti
Dimri.
When she was even she have
second film.
What's called Tripti. There is another movie.
Tripti Dimri was Animal, no? She was then an Animal.
Yeah,
then
she was in Kala.
Her first film was not Kala, but the second film was Kala. The third film is Animal.
Yeah, first film was with Anushka Sharma production company.
Yes.
मैं भूल गया नाम. It was something horror movie. Bulbul, yes, Bulbul. Yeah. So there is so many movies and so many good shows also.
Right.
I love Hansal Mehta shows.
Oh yes.
Yeah, what he doing because I loved him since.
So you're also looking at directors and their works.
Yes.
You're not just looking at films.
No.
Because Hansal Mehta's repertoire, right from Shahid to so many films.
So many movies
from
Dil Pe Mat Le Yaar. I love
Aligarh.
him. Aligarh बहुत खूबसूरत movie थी.
What a film.
The beginning of how you know that he's a good director. If you see any movie, what it's showing the beginning. Like Hansal Mehta's movie, in the beginning he don't give music. He give the nature sound. So like Aligarh, if you remember the beginning of that, you will see train sound, then एक दूध वाला का आवाज़, then कोयल की आवाज़, then सुबह की आवाज़. तो फिल्म शुरू हो जाती है. तो यहाँ से आप डायरेक्टर का टच देखते हो.
The atmosphere that he creates.
Yeah. So he's very good director. I love his work and so many directors. I love Anurag Kashyap. I used to love Ram Gopal Varma. I don't know what happened to him. And
his early work is exemplary.
Yeah, I don't know. Vishal Bhardwaj.
Of course,
I
Vishal
love him
Bhardwaj
so
is
much.
master.
Abhishek Chobe. Zoya Akhtar, kind of. Sometimes I don't know what happened, like Archie, so I don't know why she made this movie.
But Gully Boy.
Kya
movie thi?
Luck by Chance.
Luck by Chance was one of, I think it's a very...
one of his finest work.
I think it became very big in the DVD sector.
Yeah.
When it released, it didn't do well, but it became very big later.
Yeah.
And yes, and yeah.
And commercially, Raju Hirani.
What about Sanjay Leela Bhansali?
Sanjay Leela Bhansali, I used to love him in Khamoshi.
That is a beautiful
movie because there is a story.
Yeah.
After that, Hamdil Chikh Sanam, it's a little bit idea of Wosadin, which is copied by Tamil or Malayalam movie. And then love him so much in Black.
Hmm.
I stopped loving him after Black. That was my full stop, because after Black he's doing, you know, he's just looking for, because you ladies, you love the accessories and the decoration. He's just focusing on that more than a script. That's what happened to me. Where is the script?
Yeah.
The script.
Where is this going?
Yeah, it's not going in that right way, because when I comparing by Raju Hirani is more
About
focusing
the
on the
story,
script, the
yeah.
punchlines and the dialogues and the scenes, how the scene will connect you. But in Sanjila Bhansali, the connection is only the visual.
The visual.
Okay, visual अच्छा है, लेकिन मुझे स्क्रिप्ट भी चाहिए, वो जान
Story
है,
चाहिए.
स्टोरी चाहिए. जैसे
कहाँ
कि
जा रही है story?
पाकिज़ा में थी, पाकिज़ा में भी I love the huge setup, everything in Mughal Azam, but there is story.
Yeah.
Some good story, some, you know, more emotions. But I don't know, but yeah, he's still the best director of one of the best director of India.
What about Karan Johar?
Karan Johar is different thing, different story. Karan Johar, he's mixing his work with so many directors, by Raj Kapoor, sometime by Manmohan Desai, sometime by I don't know, Yash Chopra, sometime.
Yeah.
So I don't feel that he have his own
Voice.
what's called look of his movies. जैसे कि अगर क्या बोलते larger than life places, location, ये है, लेकिन
opulence.
yeah, but उनका जो work है सिमिलर रहता है कई फिल्मों से, लेकिन मुझे अच्छा लगा ज़्यादातर ये इनकी लास्ट मूवी रोकी रानी की प्रेम कहानी, उसमें जो स्टोरी वाइज उसमें कुछ ज़्यादा फोकस थी.
It was beautiful.
It has story.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Right. And what about music?
Yeah.
आप म्यूजिक में बहुत इंटरेस्ट रखते हो. आपके काफ़ी सारे रील्स में आप लिप सिंकिंग कर रहे होते हो. व्हाट आर द सॉन्ग्स दैट यू चूज एंड व्हाई डू यू चूज द सॉन्ग्स दैट यू डू?
जब पीपल जब प्यार करते हैं हिंदी सिनेमा से, वैसा प्यार उनका बढ़ता नहीं है अगर गाने नहीं रहते.
Absolutely.
गानों की वजह से वो प्यार ज़्यादा बढ़ता है, क्योंकि यही एक यूनिक चीज़ है
और वो रह जाती है ना. यू कैन लिसन टू अ सॉन्ग अगेन एंड
Yeah.
अगेन. या
और हर बार बोलते हैं लोग, अरे कुछ अरब मेरे दोस्त ये क्या हिंदी फिल्मों में सब गाने हैं, ओनली सॉन्ग्स. गो टू वॉच हॉलीवुड सिनेमा. हॉलीवुड सिनेमा डायरेक्ट
एक्शन एंड
प्रैक्टिकल बनो, ये क्या है ये? I tell them that's the what is called the beauty of cinema.
Yeah.
I remember one article in Screen when I used to read. There was a picture of Anil Kapoor in black and white. He's doing like this. The song was what's called My Name is Lakhan. ये जैसे कि वो गाना था वो राम लखन का.
एजी ओजी.
नहीं ओजी ये है ज़ीरो, मैं हूँ हीरो. तो वो गाने का सेटअप दिखाया है और पीछे से लिखा है द ब्यूटी ऑफ सिनेमा इज सॉन्ग्स. So I remember that article, and this right thing, the beauty of Hindi cinema is songs. Amar Khan, he is a very intelligent director. He know about French cinema, he know about US cinema, Irani cinema, Korea, but he every time need a good song in his movie.
All of them.
Yeah, all of his movies.
All today, if you look at all the three Khans, their songs are in their films are very, very beautiful.
Of course.
Also, people expect their film songs to be unique and different.
Of course.
It also builds. And कितनी बार ऐसा हुआ है कि an actor is known for the songs of his career, maybe more than his roles. Imran Hashmi is also known for the songs of all his film songs. It's just a stroke of luck that you just have.
Raj Khanna नहीं बने बगैर किशोर कुमार के.
Right.
His songs, mostly the Kishore Kumar, which is encouraging song, energy song. If you hear it, you remember Raj Khanna.
Yes.
Sometimes
you can't remove, like you said, you had Raj Kapoor and Mukesh.
Mukesh, yes. And Mohammad Rafi, Dilip Kumar, या फिर धर्म जी, या फिर जितेंद्र, या फिर सबको ले लो. ये
the soul of the person's work is usually the songs.
Absolutely. अभी जब 90s का ज़माना है, कुमार शानू, उदित नारायण की याद आ जाती है.
आप गाने 2 लाइन कौन सा गाएंगे?
मैं पहले ये पीऊँ क्योंकि मेरी आवाज़ उतनी अच्छी नहीं है और मेरी आवाज़ आपने पूरी निकाल दी, यहाँ पे फेंक दी. तो which song I can sing? एक मैंने सेगमेंट बनाया है.
अच्छा.
कई लोगों को शायद पता नहीं है वो कि मनोज कुमार he is fond with मुकेश जी, his sound, but in his beginning he was singing for Mohammad Rafi so many songs. And suddenly when पत्थर के सनम released, he asked Rashmikant Peral, मेरे सारे song मुकेश को देना. तो सब गाने मुकेश के थे। तो
जी,
वो ज़माने में पहले रिकॉर्ड होते थे गाने, बाद में फिल्म रिलीज होती थी या शूटिंग होती थी। तो तौबा ये मतवाली चाल, वो गाना महबूब मेरे, सब मुकेश के थे। लेकिन जब पत्थर के सनम जब गाना आया तो लक्ष्मीकांत ने कहा ये गाना सिर्फ मोहम्मद रफ़ी गाएंगे। तो फाइटिंग हुई थी दोनों के बीच में, जब तक तो राज़ी हुए कि उसमें जो आलाब है, उसकी जो आहा है, वो सब मोहम्मद रफ़ी पे फिट होती है। ही इज़ वन to know that, to be honest, Mohammed Rafi is my favorite
एंड
singer.
आपने बताया मुझे कि अबू धाबी में एक आपने फोटोज देखे हैं किसी के घर पे जिन्होंने मोहम्मद रफ़ी का कॉन्सर्ट किया था।
Yeah, in Almaria Cinema, which was the old cinema.
And when was this?
It was in 70s, beginning of 70s.
तभी मोहम्मद रफ़ी साहब इधर आ चुके हैं अबू धाबी, एंड उनका कॉन्सर्ट
I think it was premiere of the cinema, and he came there and sing some lines.
Which film was this? Which film premiere?
Premiere of the cinema.
Of the
new
cinema, of the film, of the cinema theater.
Almaria Cinema.
Okay.
So वहाँ पर आए थे और कई लोग आए थे, because it was held by Abu Dhabi Indian Cultural Club.
Right.
So they make that arrangement and everything.
And they had called him to perform.
Yeah. And he come there.
Yeah.
But you know, that time there is no videos. If there is videos, you see
it's a treasure. To have. Yes.
It's treasure.
ठीक है, तो आप मोहम्मद रफ़ी साहब का गाना सुना रहे हैं?
मोहम्मद रफ़ी का पहले मैं मुकेश का बोलूँगा, ताकि मोहम्मद रफ़ी की आवाज़ अच्छी नहीं आती मुझे। मुकेश इज़ लिटिल बिट आसान। मैंने बोला था पत्थर के सनम का एक अच्छा गाना है
जी,
वो है तौबा ये मतवाली चाल, चुप जाए फूलों की डाल, चांद और सूरज आकर मांगे तुझसे रंगे जमाल, हसीना तेरी मिसाल कहाँ।
क्या बात।
So that's one of my famous song. And मोहम्मद रफ़ी के पास जब जाऊँगा तो मुझे धर्म जी की याद ही आती है। So धर्म जी like ए मेरे यार ए हुस्न वाले, दिल किया मैंने तेरे हवाले, तेरी मर्जी पे अब बात ठहरी, जीने दे चाहे तू मार डाले, तेरे हाथों में अब मेरी जान है, आज मौसम बड़ा बेईमान है, बड़ा बेईमान है आज मौसम।
आप बहुत सुरीला गाते हो। वेरी गुड, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर स्पीकिंग टू अस। इट इज़ लवली स्पीकिंग टू यू. Thank you very much for speaking to me, Hamad ji. It is an absolute pleasure, and every time I speak to you, I learn something new.
Me too.
And the love for Hindi cinema is something that we admire about you.
Thank you so much for this, Manju. Or I believe that after this, you have so many great celebrities, more than me and more than anyone, to be in your show.
Thank you. That's such a beautiful wish, and thank you very much for being here.
Most welcome.
Thank you.